for another video. Rain game. Really, I've seen this game like a few times and I just want to try it out. So, let me see. Also, this game does usually round up to like the lowest it can go is 20. The highest that I've ever seen this game go on is like 100 players. So I have no idea what happened, but let's just get right into this before. Let's get right in here before it takes like a minute for me to talk. Okay, here we go. Survivor, food, whatever that means. 7. Traits, regular. You are an omnivore. You can eat both meat and plant foods. You can climb on walls by pressing space mid-air in front of them. You're basically a slug cat with medium stats. Okay. So what do I have to find for food? Like what? There are bushes I see in the corner. Those weird looking lizards. Let's try this out first. Wait, is this food what we have? Yeah, this is food, so I can eat berries, okay? What else can I eat? Oh, there's something over there. Okay. Oh. Yes. This berry, 2 berries. So bats I can eat. What are those things? Ow, ow. Okay. Come here. Come here. I'm not stupid. No. Got him. Finally. So, very high up. Still more food, just in case. So, there's an orb. I was reading some of the controls. Found out C and something. Wait, let me see what this is. Random scarf. No, random color scarf. Next. So, what is that? Like a symbol? What? Oh, it's going on with that thing. Also, another. Those things, that might just. Let's just go. There's also that other orb. I don't know if I'm trying to go. So, I was reading some challenges. There's like sun plant. Radius sun food plant. Eating it makes your body glow for a short time and also gives you warmth. Why would you need warmth? Like, what is this? So, let's see what this is. Slug cat reset orb. Okay. So I'm seeing a lot of slug cat things. So, okay, I'm gonna make a challenge now because I was here just reading some comments, or just a few, not comments, but a few challenges that I could see, and my friends that played this game do them, and I saw that it says get 10 karma points. I think that's what the symbol down there at the bottom means. What is that? Oh, I think the dots mean how much time there is before that thing is written. Spear, berry, this thing, that. And that's this. This looks like, reminds me of something. So, something happened to me. Oh, is it? Where the fuck is this deal? Infestation. Oh, my food? Oh, it's expired. Okay. So, can't bring food inside the base. or no, it expires. Okay, that's something at least good to know, so I don't accidentally do it again. God, that would be a badass. That would definitely knock someone out if someone actually found it in real life. So I did get a spear. I'm expecting that this game added a way to kill these creatures. Yee! Yee! Nah. Need green rope. How do I... Wait. It's stuck. How do I... Oh, I can't even get that. So is this the way I'm gonna kill it? Oh! Wait. Oh, their backs are unprotected. Can I eat lizards? Nope, you can't eat lizards. Or a bunch of bats, I want. Come on! Get back here! Got him. I killed this stupid lizard. Oh, let's do this. Got it. There's so many up there. You dare go up. You dare go up. Okay, got him. So you can kill it. Good. You can't eat them in this character, and they're a weird ass going on. Okay. Got it. So those little dots in the corner over here means how much time there is left. Okay, so I have that's a pretty good time. So they said 10 karma points. I'm guessing that's what this means, but I don't even know what's the max. And then they say switch a character. Switch it. Basically, what the fuck? What? How do I get to the other side? Oh. They couldn't give me an ability. Okay. They definitely gave us mobility. Good thing I was saying I crash out today. So let's try this. They gave us an ability to pounce. It's gonna be pretty good. Whoa. Try to go over there. What's in here? Okay, let's not go in there. We'll never see that again. Nope. I'm not dealing with that. I'm not dealing with that too. Let's start going back to base before it starts raining again. Also, thanks to you guys for the 20 subscribers I've had. It's kind of a bit. I'm very happy for it. It's just generally that I've never expected this channel to grow any higher than 10 after it's kind of been there for a while. Might try to post more frequently, even if it's like, you know, 3 days at school, and I'm guessing. But for me, you know, I'm doing other things. How many doors do you need? Starvation. So they did show me something when I was looking. I was trying to see all the moves, and they showed me this move. Wait. That move. Back foot. I like that. That's very good. 3 mobility seconds. One for the walls, one for lunging, one for that one. Oh, I was gonna try something. Oh, oh my god! I almost threw myself out the. Okay, so you can't get direction. Oh, okay. Well, it might take a while for me to practice. Let's just mine food. Oh, that. Those berries. Got it? Ooh. Okay. Damn! You're dead. That's it. Okay. Let's go. That. Those bears. Right. Ooh. That's such a good mobility. Pouncing. This. Is it just a repeat now? Like anywhere else, but I did see something. I did see something over there. I want to go that side, so let's start walking. Oh, got it finally. Thanks. Okay, I made it. Here we go. Risk it. Going. Ah. Way too close. Way too close for comfort. What do I do now? Green lizard tooth. That's weird. We risk it for the biscuit. There we go. We have to run back so fast. Go, 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 go. There we go. Well, they were about to take my speed. It's very damn dark. Oh shit. Oh, come on. Oh my god, that's way too close for comfort. Hey, 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 I saw that. I saw that. And I see a lizard. Ooh. Oh shit! Oh my god. Go. Rock. Axe. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I don't know if it's dead, but let's see. Look down here. I saw it. Yeah, we saw this guy. We enter. Yep, we can enter. The lower subjects. upgrade of where we were. It's just empty. Definitely sewer. Oh, this base. You can stay here. A cold front approaches. So to get warmth? Definitely looks like it's getting colder. Ooh. Whoa! What are these things? Blueberries, pumped herbal fruits, and grown vines. It's bright colors, letting add its flavors. Warmth bar. So this whole thing. Oh, we gotta find. So wait, what do we do now? We have to like. Really difficult. We have the winter to worry about. Is that a spider? One more. I can eat spiders. Fashion into a hat. You, this newspaper looks great as a hat. Too bad I never learned how to read. Okay. Definitely need to find a base. Saying I was getting way colder. Might leave here if I'm too cold. I think I'm gonna start going back to the base because when they were talking about, I didn't expect to be winter, so they did give me 2 menus about winter. Okay, good. Basically, these places, when it gets cold, you can use bases to hide in, or use other players, or sun plants that we saw at the beginning. Use sun plants to eat. We might start going back to the start then. We can use bases to stop freezing, or use other players nearby to stay. Yeah, to stay warm. Another one. Lizards. What the what in the hell? Holy I can't even see anything. Oh my god. I'm so sorry if any of you the viewers out there are looking at this. I'm so sorry. I can't see anything, bro. I don't know if you see anything either. Holy. The only thing I see is like what's in front of me. I'm staying in first person. Oh my goodness, it's so hard to see anything. How many stairs are there? Do lizards even exist? I actually have food. This. Dude, this is just. Okay, that's. I can't see them. Where? Oh, okay. I got a piece. Holy crap. Another night of surviving this with lizard jam bag. And there comes the goddamn rainforest of ice. Dropkickers. Ah! This is gonna be so food right now. Because Jimmy, you cannot see anything. Let's start gathering up on some that's a big one. What the fuck? Oh my god! Woo! Stranger? There you go. No, dude. God damn. Are we dead serious? This guy is acting. Like one more piece of food just to live with. So walking back to that little house we saw there. That is so what? What's all my items? I tripped. Now I'm gonna start going back inside. And here we go. The cold front is ended. Yes, we're free! No more cold temperatures for no random reason. Come here, come here, come here. God damn it. Okay. Oh, no. Here we go. Let's go. Blizzard ended, but the warmth of the flame slowly. Great. There we go. Fit in here. Okay. Let's see. Electrical station. What is this? Oh oh no, I'm just doing it. I'm just doing it now. Holy crap. What are you gonna do? Run over? Yeah, drown. There he goes. What are those things? There's enemies. That holds cherry bombs. Cherry bombs, a weird bright glowing plant that explodes. Impact, handle with care. Okay. Nope, let's start going back in the little house we saw over here. Okay, we finally got our 10 karma points. This is the max karma points I said, the X. So, what we're trying to do now is switch to a different character. Basically, a character called Hunter. But, the only way we're going to get that is probably through going through that reset orb thing they said when we saw at the start. So let's start going over there. Okay, we almost made it to the little reset orb from the start. Oh, fuck. Oh, here we go. There's lizard, there's lizard, that's lizard. How many bats? Holy! One time that I wanted to not eat is the one. Oh. The one time that I was about to fall, there's a lizard. That orb right there, we need to go to it. Well, here we go. Hunter, food, round 9, trade, Nutrition. You are an omnivore. You can eat both meats and plants. Eating plants will not good for you. You can climb walls by pressing the weight. You can hunt and eat lizards for food. You can carry 2 spears at once. Oh, okay. Yeah, I see what you mean by not eating berries. Holy sh! This is gonna take a while. Isn't that you? That took so much food. Oh my god! You definitely look bigger. Oh my god, goodness. Ow, okay. Okay, that's dead. Go. Okay, we got it. Let's see how much food there is. 5? That's 2 lizards already fills me up. Okay. Very darn good. There's not just don't give you that. So lizards are way better. Okay. I saw a lizard. I want that lizard dead. Where's that lizard? Is he in the... whatever. Holy, that's a lot of lizards. A big area over here. So going over here. There's a whole lake here. Is there a little secret door over here or something? Seems like there's probably not even anything here. Yeah, that's probably a waste. It's been a pretty cool area to put something. There's a whole dam here. Holy. Look at that. Here we go. More in. Hired this lizard to scream at you. Why did I say that? Okay. Let me kill another lizard. Look, we found a target. We bashed his head on the floor, so his head, and we're done. 1 million, damn it. This character might be the best character I've played as. Or because it's like the only second that I've played as. It's the second character I've played as, so. Well, by the way, I'm gonna only do 2 characters per video, so just know. Two spears now. Oh, it might be a double faster way to kill him. Come here. Okay. There we go. We really need more than just one. What's in here? Nothing. I keep kind of saying something to me. Yeah, shut the fuck up. Bobby. Wait, what I just took from here? I did see lizards at the start over here. Oh my god. There's lizards up here. Absolutely nothing in that house. Let's go over here. Is there a lizard? There is a lizard. And we smash their head. Now we eat their body. Oh, there it is. Oh, I think I killed it. What in the oh. Nah, I'm not doing this. What the hell? Oh, there's a spider. Holy sh! I can see what's called a food station. Wait, isn't this? Oh my gosh, it's literally right next to the base. Why did I not? I still didn't realize that. Let me go. Let me out. Let me out. So, what now? I just can't. I just constantly take damage slowly and steadily. Two of them! Holy! Holy, you're a big one. Both of you dead. Now we eat their balls. Eat their head. Eat their head, not their, not that. Oh, we're finished. What the fuck? What? Oh, back we go. Okay. Well, this will also, by the way, be the last cycle, or the last kind of moment where I finally stop before I end it, because today this is what the next character will be something I don't know. And there's like around 13 playable characters right now. I think 12, and that's because there's one of them not even obtainable right now. I'm going to do 2, so we'll end it up here as the next character. Well, see you guys.